Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Putri Masyita from Class C English Education Study Program. And today I would like to present an oral summary of a talk by Hairani Astri titled When You're Less Pursue Yourself. This talk is inspiring because it shows how someone deals with confusion, pressure, and uncertainty and how she eventually learns to choose her own path. At the beginning of the talk, Hairani explains that she always felt uncertain about her future. Whenever people asked her, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" she didn't feel motivated. She felt anxious and confused. She didn't have a clear answer, and this made her feel like she was already behind everyone else. She also shares that school didn't help her understand her strengths. Academically, she wasn't the top student, and her grades didn't reflect who she truly was. However, outside class, she enjoyed creative activities and had a natural interest in styling and fashion. Even so, she never imagined turning those interests into a career because she thought they were not serious enough for her future. Hairani talks about the pressure she felt from family, teachers, friends, and society. People around her expected her to follow a safe, traditional, and stable career path. Because of this expectation, she began to doubt herself and feel like she had to follow a road chosen by others instead of following her own interests. Her turning point came from something simple, thrifting. At first, it was just a hobby she enjoyed, but then people began asking her to buy clothes for them and help them choose styles. This made her realize that there was real demand for her sense of fashion. This shift from casual thrifting to personal shopping changed the direction of her life. However, choosing business as a career in Brunei wasn't easy. Many people believed that only formal office-type jobs were stable and valid. Because of this mindset, she faced judgment, criticism, and skepticism. But she continued pursuing her business because she believed in her own path. One of the strongest messages in her talk is the phrase, "Choose your heart." She explains that life will always be difficult, no matter what choice we make. So instead of avoiding difficulty, we should choose the type of difficulty that matches our values and help us grow. For her, this meant choosing the challenge of starting a business rather than choosing a safe path that didn't make her happy. In the end, Hairani encourages people who feel lost to see it not as a failure, but as a beginning. She says that being lost pushes us to explore, question, and discover who we really are. She ends with a quote by Robert Greene, reminding us to choose the struggle that feels meaningful and true to ourselves. So, in conclusion, this talk teaches us that it's completely okay to be uncertain. What matters most is choosing a path that feels honest, meaningful, and right for us. Thank you for listening, and I hope this summary helps you reflect on your own journey as well. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.